Okay, I think it's recording. I hope so. What we have today? I have today two little heli here that are a couple of nice ones, and I like to talk about it and make some comparison. Okay, lately I got this. They call it Goosky. Goosky S1. This heli is amazing. I see the big one, the S4, that is enormous. It's like this big. And it flies really very similar to this. So I got this one just to start, because I know those beginners pilot. I already been flown a lot, different ones and things, but today I like to make the comparison between this one that is around 120 size to this one, that lady, Horizon and others store has it online. This is a 120 Infusion 120 blade. So anyway, what I like to say is to compare, because the sizes are very similar, you know, it's more or less the same sizes, but this machine is amazing. This is, I don't know, I mean, to compare this and this, the way it flies also, this is good. But talking about, for example, prices, this one, it comes with 2 batteries, and the radio that's set up is unbelievable good, and it's $249, something like that, or $250. This one just can, with nothing, just the heli by itself without anything, and it's $200. So you gotta go the battery, and then you gotta have a radio like this, because you cannot set it up in another type of radio. Like in this one, I can set up this radio with different receiver, but in this one they don't let you. So in prices, this is $240 with everything and batteries, and this is just $199, $200, and without anything. So choice, I mean, if you are beginner, or you know, you want to start flying heli or things like that, you can get any of those. I like it both, but this one, unbelievable. So anyway, I just want to compare one to the other a little, and let's do some fly, because I really don't like those video people talking and talking and they don't do nothing, just talking and talking and talking like I do it now, and they don't do the thing. Anyway, let's fly a little. Okay, I have the Blade 120 Infusion set up, and I went, this is something that's very good. I don't know if we can see it here. We can go to forward programming in this one. This one we can do different things, but going to forward programming, you can go on and off in the stability mode. So I go on in normal mode, and in also is in stability in that normal mode. And when I go to stone one, also I put it on, just to get used to the speed only, not going crazy and crash it. Anyway, that is something that I like to tell you about it. So we can go and fly. We gotta go, boom, back in this, and we are ready. Hold now mode. We are in hold mode. So let's see if we can do something a little. There is an aeroplane now flying over there. No. So I gotta be careful with this guy, because it's flying there. So in this case, this thing is so small that we gotta really fly and very close, because otherwise we're not gonna be able to see it in the video. Anyway, let's start in normal mode. Let's see if the camera is good. It's almost flying. Look how it's moving. All right, Let's pull out. We are in normal mode, and really it's very quiet. Nice, look at that. It's very stable. So we're gonna go in stone 1, but stone 1 also with stability, just to see, to hear the motor.
Stand 1.
Oh wow, nice. But it's in stability mode. I don't want to go crazy yet with the other ones because I know what happened. So you can see, you never go far away. I lost many of these small ones. All of a sudden, you don't see the orientation anymore, and instead of bringing it here back, you lose it. So you gotta always fly, but you gotta be very careful not to hit yourself, you know, because it happened that to many people. Anyway, we don't talk about things like that. So you see how it goes up and down, and stone 1 is pretty nice. I'm dying to flip it, but I'm not gonna do it yet. I just compare this to the other one. Wow, it's fast. Okay, it's time to land. Come over here, don't go too far. Okay, we gotta go stone 1. No, normal mode, sorry, to land. Because of the way the propeller does, if you are in stone 1, the propeller never stops. So now it's really very nice, very responsive, but we're gonna see with the other one how it is. So let's land. It's time to land. It's windy, it's kind of windy, so. And the tail rope go like wang wang many times. You know, it's no. This happened in many of these blades, but anyway, it's a nice heli. Okay, hope we see it. Yes. Hold mode. All right, we flew this one, so now we're gonna fly the other one. Let's go to the table. Okay, so now we're gonna fly the Goosky. So Goosky, we put in almost. We haven't almost. So the good thing also in this heli to compare with that one, in this one you don't need to take the canopy out to hook up the battery. It has this hole over here, perfect, and you put it in this position, you just push in and it's ready to plug it in. So the radio also is pretty good, and over here we have the different mode, and here we have these are the different mode, and here different speed. I think so. So we'll see what we're gonna do. And this is the one to stop the motor. So, and to turn it on, you gotta go. It sounds like it's so plastic, but anyway, it's pretty good. Boom, two together, and it's on. Good. So now okay, it's ready. Let's go to the pad over there where the heli flies. So this one is kind of and also what I want to tell you, this guy I was able to hook up this little light in the back. These little lights are very good for everything, for airplane, for heli, really, especially in this small heli. I mean, you can see it sometimes if you lose orientation. They happen to me many times. So let's see how this little guy does. Pump. Let me see. This is here is, this one is to change the mode, and this one is to give it more speed or less. So we are in normal mode now. See? Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Unbelievable. You cannot even hear the motor. Look how smooth this guy is and how responsive. Look at that tail rotor. Look. Unbelievable. So you see, compare this to the other one, you gotta see the quality and also the setup. Look at that. Wow. Oh, lovely. Look how that thing, how it. Yeah, it's too far there. It's right here, but you know, I'm pretty sure you're not able to see it. Come on, come over here, dude. Because that I lost many times. This is small one. This is unbelievable. And desperate to start doing some kind of to flip it. But I'm not gonna do that in this video. Just practicing to see how it responds. Alright, let's put it in another. I think it can go different speed with this one. Let's keep it there in case. Now, yes. Look at that. Oh. Oh, but it's hard to. Oh! I guess I crashed it. Let's see what happened. Poor baby. I don't know if I can even find it. It seems to be very strong. Once I seen another video that it crashed and it didn't really break, nothing. So we see what it could happen to you. Huh? Let me see. It looks pretty together. Nothing. It looks broken. Only the light. Huh? Let me see. Let me see. How you doing? Huh? Is no. Everything is working. Let's see. It seems to be fine. Let's go over there because here is not really a very good place to fly. We have to be very careful with the snakes. The other day one rattlesnake was one step away from me. I'm glad they had that rattle thing, and that's the only thing I need to get freaking venom. I hope we didn't break. Let's see, it looks to be fine. Vamos a ver. Sí. Oh, look at that. And really, the crash was incredible, dude. So,